Okay, back to the flight video. Biglang nagloko yung nagkaroon ng abere yung camera ko, biglang tumigil sa pag-shoot. Maybe because of the slow SD card. Okay, one more flight. Slow processing speed ng aking SD card. So one more because I love to fly this one. Very smooth nga. Tulad ng mga nababanggit ko sa vlog ko or dito sa video na to. Very smooth yung stern. Responsive, very responsive. And quiet. Very quiet. You know. Very quiet. Very smooth yung lipad niya, you know. Full throttle but quiet pa rin. And ganda ng smooth niya talaga, oh. Ang ganda ng turn niya. I love the turns. Very maneuverable. Confident ka. You will gain a very high confidence when you turn this aircraft because yun nga, super responsive and super smooth. Wala siyang pag nag-turn siya is talagang super smooth. Ayan, meron pa siyang 1K stunt, which is very nice aside from the 3D switch and vertical flying. Low voltage. Alright, return to home. I mean landing. Land. Okay, land. Tingnan ko yung vertical. Ano bang vertical niya? Towards me. Yun, vertical. Ay! Ay! Naputol yung propeller, oh. Nawala yung propeller. Sumuksok yata. Tanggal yung propeller, guys. Naalangan ako eh. Anyway, meron akong dyan, maraming spare to. Spare propeller. B. Okay. Okay.